Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bree. This is Balancing Life with Bree, and I am starting the video today doing a little car vlog. I'm on my way home for lunch right now. Okay. I'm wearing a sweater and it's the middle of summer. I know I look crazy. I just want to address it. My work is so cold that I literally have to wear a sweater, and then when I get out, like it's 86 degrees outside and I'm wearing a sweater. But it's so cold inside that I need to have a sweater or a jacket on literally all day, every day. So don't judge me while I'm wearing a sweater because it's really cold. But anyway, I wanted to do a quick little check-in with you guys. I haven't made like a vlog style video in a hot minute, I feel like. So I thought I would just fill you in on what's up and what's going on. So let's see. It's August. It's my birthday month. Whoop whoop. I'm really excited for my birthday this year. This is my last, this will be my last year in my 20s, which is just like crazy to me. I can't believe I'm going to be 30 next year, but yep, my last year in my 20s. And my bachelorette party is also this month, which I'm super excited for. I don't know the theme. I don't know anything about it. My best friend Stephanie is the one who's planning like everything, so it's going to be a complete and total surprise to me, so I'm pretty excited about that. So yes. Oh, real quick, book club. So I plan to have this video up midweek, hopefully. Fingers crossed. It's Monday right now, either like Wednesday or Thursday, and I hope to have the book club live on either this next Monday or the Monday after. I'm gonna make a post and put it like on the YouTube page. I finally got to finish the book this past weekend, so I'm really excited to talk about it. I have a lot of things that I want to address, because some of the things in this book I was like, oh my gosh, it just like annoyed me. So I want to see everybody else's opinion on this book, because like I said, for me, I was just kind of like, I don't know. I'll save it all for the live, but that's how I felt about the book. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm trying to put together like a book club for you guys, and the first book is called The Quiet Tenant. I will link it in my description. If you are a fast reader, if you have time to read it, you can read it and then come join the live, or if you just want to join the live and just hear about the book in general, you're more than welcome to come do that as well. But I am pretty excited for that. Let's see, what else is new? I'm trying to think. We're going to Asheville, North Carolina this weekend for my birthday. So Scotty's taking me on a trip to Asheville. We're just gonna we're not going to see the Biltmore. I know everybody and their mom has told us to go see the Biltmore, but we just don't care. I know that sounds like really harsh, but I don't know, like it's a really big house and I know it's beautiful. I know that we plan to go like to Biltmore like adjacent, because they have the wineries and stuff, and we plan to do that, but we're just not those kind of people. Like we plan to go to the pinball museum and, you know, just like go around town and like explore little shops and stuff, because from what I've heard, I've never been there, but from what I've heard, it can be kind of like a hippie-ish area. So that's what I'm excited for. I just want to like explore all of that kind of stuff. So we're going to Asheville this weekend. We did sunflower pictures. Okay, there's a photographer that I love. I'm in Northern Kentucky, but it's easier to say like I'm in Cincinnati, and this photographer that we like is in Louisville. And we have traveled to her for pretty much all of the pictures that we have gotten done within the past year, well, past couple years, 3 years actually. And she just did pictures with us in a sunflower field, and I got a sneak peek of them today, and they are so good. They're literally so good. I'm obsessed with them. So yes, I will be sharing those on the screen if I get like the actual like released photos back in time. But if not, I will put them on my Instagram so you guys can see them. But literally they're so cute. I'm so excited for them. And yeah, nothing else crazy has been going on. I have those trips planned. I have my batch party, my birthday. So all like really positive, fun things in my future, which I'm really excited for. We're getting closer and closer to the wedding every single day, which I'm also super pumped for. I dropped my dress off for alterations. Yeah. Anyway, I feel like I've blabbed long enough. It's so crazy that I can just like talk to myself. I feel like I'm talking to friends, but like you guys aren't responding, but it's fine. Anyway, so I'm gonna get off here. I will check in with you guys in a little bit. So your girl has been running around like a chicken with her head cut off this entire lunch, and I didn't know that. So Rex, one of our dogs, he's had been like taking pills because he's been sick, and I didn't know Scott's been using my turkey pepperoni to give him the pills at night. So I have no turkey pepperoni because I was gonna make my little cracker thingies. So for lunch, I'm bringing back a blueberry bagel with strawberry cream cheese because that's literally all we have. I'm going to Click List tonight, and then a Chobani. That's it. That's what I'm bringing back. I'm going to pick up my Click List after the gym, but I'm going to skedaddle because I have to go back. It is the next day, so it is Tuesday. I am sitting on my couch right now, but I'm getting ready to get up and start cooking dinner. So I have volleyball tonight, and I have to cook dinner before we go, and so we'll have something to eat when we get home. And I'm making Emily Bites Beefy Enchilada bake. So let's make that together. Alrighty guys, let's get into this beefy enchilada bake. This is seriously so easy to make, and I whipped it together what I felt like was pretty quickly. So first thing you're going to want to do is get a pot or like a deep skillet and place your ground beef in that skillet and bring it over about a medium heat. Cook it up, break up all the meat. Wait until the beef is basically brown before you add your next things. You're going to add some chili powder and some cumin. You're going to add 1 teaspoon of chili powder and a half a teaspoon of cumin, and you're going to stir that up. Next, you're going to add some onions and green chilies. I just used the frozen bag of onions. This is the onions that I've always used. And then I'm adding the green chilies. This is 2 ounces of green chilies. And you're going to stir that together and cook that for another about 3 minutes until the onions and the chilies are a little bit more softened. Once that's all stirred up and the meat is completely cooked, you're going to add 2 cups of fat-free reduced sodium chicken broth. And you're also going to add 1 10-ounce can of the red enchilada sauce. I just use the Kroger enchilada sauce. It works perfectly fine. And then you're going to add 8 ounces of uncooked pasta. I use the Barilla Protein Plus. That is my favorite pasta, and I will always use that pasta. After everything is in there, you're going to make sure the noodles are completely submerged, and then turn that heat up all the way until you get a rolling boil. Once you get a boil, you're going to put your lid on. You're going to turn your stove top to low, and you're going to let that simmer for 10 to 12 minutes. Once it's simmered for 10 to 12 minutes, you're going to put about a half a can of corn directly in there and cook it for another 2 minutes or so. After that's complete, you're going to take everything off the heat and add a half a cup of fat-free sour cream and about 1 ounce of the reduced fat sharp cheddar cheese. You're going to save the rest of the cheese to top on your mixture later, but that is how you make this. It is so easy, it is so good, and I cannot wait for you guys to make this. Hello. It is Wednesday afternoon. I'm on my way back to work from lunch right now, and I think I'm gonna wrap up the video, like end this last segment. I have been so busy. It's so hard to film, edit, make sure everything like looks great, and like make videos consistently right now because everything has just been so chaotic, especially like crunch time for the wedding, my birthday month. We have training with Rex basically every single Wednesday, so like that is literally just like mentally exhausting. And then we have volleyball on Tuesday night, so I don't really have time to film on Tuesday nights. Wednesday nights, I'm so tired from like doing all of Rex's stuff. Thursday, and then by the time Thursday comes, that's typically when I would post a video. So I do apologize. The videos are moving forward are going to be super sporadic just because I've been so busy, and I'm going to try to film in Asheville. I need to get used to filming like in public. I get kind of embarrassed doing that, but I don't know why. I mean, I'm never going to see those people ever again, but I still just get like, I don't know, I just get nervous filming like that in public. But I'll try to film some stuff in Asheville if I feel comfortable, and hopefully not this weekend, but next weekend I'll have another scheduled Sunday for you guys. I'm obviously not going to have one this weekend because I'm not going to be around. So, but sorry the road is so like wobbly. They need to fix this road that I live close on. But anyway, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the little check-in. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. It's really good. I have it in my lunchbox right now I'm taking that back to work. I had that for dinner late last night after we got home from volleyball because I wasn't about to eat before I went. My stomach would hurt too bad. But yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you're doing for the rest of the summer, if you've been a busy bee or not, because like I said, your girl's been a busy bee. So again, I'm gonna get going. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will check in with you later.